Hello guys, this is lip scrub DIY for chapped lips. As you know, I always try to make the DIYs, or I always try to make the things that you can easily do at your home. So this is one of them. This is the great scrub for the exfoliation of your lips. These are the ingredients you would need for this DIY lip scrub, and you would need 1 brown sugar. You would need honey, and sorry, it's almond oil. It's actually almond oil. I have put it in some dropper bottle, a container. I'm using some leftover container. I'm reusing it. So if you have the new one, you can use it, but I'm using my Olay night cream leftover container, which has finished now. And you would need 1 bowl for the mixing, and obviously spoon. So all you have to do, you have to take 2 parts sugar and 1 part honey and 1 part almond oil. So I have taken 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Now I will take 1 teaspoon of honey. Oops. And meantime, I will also take 1 teaspoon of almond oil. It's the almond oil which I have in dropper bottle. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of almond oil, and now I'm going to mix it well. The consistency, I have put it in a jar, and you can see it's more like skin food sugar mask that I have, but if you do not like this consistency, you can also use more brown sugar or the white granulated one. It has granules, but it's very mild. It will be very mild on your lips, and do not use so much harsh exfoliation on your lips. It will ruin you. You can keep this lip balm in any container, and I'm going to show you how you can apply it. Just take this, it's more than enough.